Get the extra muscle you need to tackle your daily grind. The IronBull EWB equipment trailer is built for strength and durability. The 8-inch I-beam monoframe provides unmatched strength front to back. Handle your heaviest loads with either tandem 7,000-pound axles or tandem 8,000-pound axles. Select your ideal length from 18 to 24 feet and ideal deck width from 83 inches wide or 102 inches wide with drive-over fenders. To optimize your loading conditions, choose from heavy-duty fold-up ramps, slide-in ramps, standard fold-up ramps, or rampage ramps. These bulls feature a tough 2x8 treated wood deck, 6 weld-on D-rings, rub rail, and stake pockets, and an integrated front tie-down rail to keep your load secure. Oversized locking front toolboxes are standard in this series, and the powder coat finish with a one-cure primer ensures long-lasting protection. Adjustable auto-latching couplers and removable diamond plate fenders provide extra versatility and ensure your trailer has maximum flexibility to meet your hauling requirements. Lifetime LED lights, DOT-approved reflective tape, and a fully sealed wiring harness keep you visible, operational, and compliant on the road. Built tough, the EWB 14 is ready to handle any job. This bull also backs you up with its industry-best ironclad warranty, covering you with a 3-year structural, 2-year component, and 2 years of free roadside assistance. Life is easier with a bull at your command. IronBull, where durability meets affordability.